We are now walking from the Western Wall towards Shechem, the Damascus Gate, Bab El Amud. This tunnel is called the Chov Hagai. The Hagai is the valley. It's the valley tunnel. This whole road is called the Chov Hagai because it's in a valley between the two hills. To the east of us, which is to our right, is the Mount Moriah, Har HaMoriah, and to the left of us, to the west.
Where are you from?
טוב, מה נשמע? שקט. מתפללים שיהיה עבודה. We are all anxious for more tourists and work. Now it's very quiet. So this road is along the valley. In Hebrew it's called Hagai, in Arabic it's called Wad, and Wad, which also means the valley. אהלן.
אחלה חיוך יש.
מה נשמע?
בוקר טוב, סבח חיר.
مين هذا الاسترجاع؟ ايش هذا بالحياه يعني بالعالم؟
As we can see, everything is very quiet. Some of the stores aren't even open. Oh, this road particularly is not tourism based. It's more a local for people who live here in the old city and people who are on the way to the Temple Mount and to the Western Wall. The Temple Mount is just to the right of us, to the east of us. And ahead of us, of course, is the Damascus Gate. Damascus Gate is the northern gate of the old city of Jerusalem. And like the Jaffa Gate, which is on the western side and leads to Jaffa, the Damascus Gate is on the northern side and leads to Damascus, or in Hebrew it's called the Shechem, Shar Shechem, which means the Nablus Gate, because it leads to Nablus, which is in the north of Jerusalem. And there we see again some small electronic powered golf carts that can maneuver around in the narrow streets of the old city of Jerusalem. Cars or trucks really can't get through. This video I am taping on the phone and not live streaming. The past two videos I live streamed, and I'd like to compare the quality of these two videos. So you two let me know. Check out this video and check out the two videos before it. There was one video that I did from the new gate to Jaffa Gate, and another video from Jaffa Gate to the Western Wall. Both of those were live streamed. And then I saved them, I live streamed them directly to YouTube. I'm testing my data sim to see how well it's doing within the confinement of the walls of the old city of Jerusalem, because the reception here might not be too great. And this video I am filming on my phone, not live streaming, and I will upload it afterwards, so you can compare the quality of the video between the two. We are on, in Hebrew this is called Rehovah Gai. In Arabic it's called El-Wad, which both mean the same thing. It's the valley, the street of the valley. And it has a slight ascent up the mountain. You can see that I'm walking. I'm walking up from the western wall, which is the lower part of the road, walking up towards the Damascus gate, which is the higher part of the road. And in ancient times, all of the water, rainwater and sewage water, would all collect here in the valley. And for that reason, in ancient times, they built a sewage system underneath the road. And that system has been discovered in archaeological digs in the city of David. And we can actually enter that and walk beneath the road in another path that's beneath the road that was originally built to collect the excess water and sewage.
انت وجوزك خمسة بالعشرة
Here I've reached the Damascus gate. In Arabic, this gate is called Bab al-Amud, which means the gate of the pillar. Because in Roman times, there was a pillar that stood here at this gate. And even though the pillar is gone, it is remembered by the Arabic name of this the Arabic name of this gate, Bab al-Amud. And it is said that this marking here, you see the marking? This. It is said that this marking symbolizes the pillar that it actually stood right here. Beneath this gate, there's an archaeological site where we can see the ancient Roman gate that stood here. Okay, now we've exited the Damascus gate, and I need to find my daughter, who should be here somewhere waiting for me. Let's see if I can spin this around. Oh, that's great. Hello, everyone. And here I am, it's David Ha'ivri, Israel tour guide. I'm at the Damascus gate and looking forward to seeing you here. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to hearing your input. Be well. Shalom.